So under direct, indirect speech, today we are going to learn about the exclamatory sentences, how to convert exclamatory or optative sentences into indirect speech. Now, what are exclamatory sentences? You all know the sentences. These show strong emotions of sorrow, joy, anger, etc. Right? So let's take few examples first, then we will try to understand how it is to be converted. See here. He said, "Alas, I have failed." Alas, it is an expression of sadness which expresses pain, grief, or sorrow. So, what you have to do is see here, he exclaimed with sorrow that he had failed. Now, what do you notice here? We see here now the said. In place of that, the word exclaimed is added there. And along with that, the expression alas, it has been expressed here with the word exclaimed as with sorrow. And now the sentence, which was in the inverted commas, it has been actually converted into an assertive sentence. देखिए इसमें कोई exclamation sign नहीं है, a full stop is added here. Alas, I have failed. The sudden expression, it has been now converted into an assertive sentence. So in exclamatory sentences, we see that the reporting verb said to is changed into exclaimed with joy, sorrow, fear, anger, applauded, regret, curse. This way you can add certain words to convey the tone of exclamation. Right? So let's take another example. She said, "Hooray, I have been selected for the nursing course." Hooray, ah, ha ha करके जो हंसते हैं, express joy or delight. So ये जो hooray sign है, ये खुशी जाहिर कर रहा है, खुशी से आप चिल्लाते हो that you have been selected for nursing course. So indirect में when you will convert, she exclaimed with joy that she had been selected for the nursing course. Rest rules will be same, converting the pronouns, converting the tense. Now see here, have been, had been में convert हो गया है, but जो exclamatory form था sentence का, उसे change कर दिया गया. So she exclaimed with joy. जो हमारा reporting verb said है, उसे किसमें बदला हमने? Exclaimed with joy, because it expresses the happiness here. He said, "Oh, so sorry, Sister Jane is not here." He exclaimed that Sister Jane was not there. Right? So यहाँ पर ओह जो expression होती है वो एक तरह से apologize करते हुए है कि the person is feeling sorry that the thing is not there or the person is not present there. So he exclaimed that Sister Jane was not there. Now, you will also find a few sentences in exclamatory that start with how and what. Like, the nurse said to the patient, "How weak you have grown." Again, it's an exclamatory sentence. The nurse exclaimed that the patient had grown weak. Tense में change लाया. Now ये देखिए, ये जो statement how से begin हो रहा था, it has been removed. The reporting verb said to exclaimed में change हो गया. Now यहाँ पर कोई expression जो है, अगर उसकी surety नहीं है, तो you can simply use the word exclaimed and you will put the conjunction that. The nurse exclaimed that the patient had grown weak. So that way you will change the exclamatory sentence into an assertive one. The patient said, "What a caring nurse she is." The patient exclaimed that she was a very caring nurse. So ये जो what की expression है, how की expression है, उसमें आपको change करना है, simple form में बनाना है, assertive statement में change कर देना है. And remember to add the conjunction that. In exclamatory sentences, we will use the conjunction that. And the interjections and the exclamation जो होते हैं, जो words of oh, ah, alas, hooray are to be omitted. And their sense is conveyed with the means of adverbs or adverb phrases, right? You can use the word exclaimed with sorrow, delight, happiness, that way. So this way you will use the words here. So ये जो word होते हैं, hooray, it exclaims joy or delight. Alas, ah, oh, these all explain pain, grief, sorrow. What, oh, good heavens, ये ऐसे expressions जो हैं surprise को भी indicate करते हैं. Oh, good heavens, what? Express surprise. Bravo, well done. ये जो है applause, encouragement, approval को show करते हैं, right? And इस तरह के कई एक्सप्रेशंस आपको मिलेंगे. सो व्हाटएवर एक्सप्रेशन जो है, सडन एक्सप्रेशन जो मिले एक्सक्लेमेशन के आपको, विद दीज वर्ड्स you will remove the word, and with exclaimed you will add that word to express that emotion there. ठीक है? So उस तरह से alas, hooray, sad जो expressions आएंगे वहां पर आपने remove करके sorrow, delight, applaud ऐसे word add कर देने. नेक्स्ट है ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंसेस, जो एक्सक्लेमेटरी के ही पार्ट में आते हैं. सेंटेंसेस हैविंग विश, जब आप किसी को विश करते हो ऑन मीटिंग और पार्टिंग फ्रॉम समवन, जैसे आप विश करते हो गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड इवनिंग, एक्सेट्रा. सो यहाँ पर हम सब्जेक्ट के साथ जो वर्ड लगाते हैं वो है विश्ड, एंड उसके साथ ऑब्जेक्ट लगाकर हम वर्ड लगा देंगे गुड मॉर्निंग या गुड इवनिंग, जो भी आप विश करते हो. The patient said to the matron, good morning. जहां पर सिर्फ विश किया जा रहा है. The patient wished the matron good morning. Exclamation या जो आपका है वो सारा रिमूव होकर simply you will add said to की जगह पर wish. He said to his friend goodbye. He bade his friend goodbye. जब आप किसी को बिड करते हो फेयरवेल, सो बिड का पास्ट फॉर्म होता है बेड. सो ही बेड हिज फ्रेंड goodbye. So that way, in the sentences where you are wishing someone, you will use the word wished or bade in place of the words. Okay. Then there are sentences starting with may, जहां पर आप किसी के लिए pray करते हो. The nurse said to the patient, may you convalesce soon. Convalesce का मतलब होता है recover soon. So the nurse wished that the patient might convalesce soon. So ये जो exclamatory sign है इसे remove करना है, इसे assertive में change करना है, may को might में बदलना है, right? इस तरह से आपने इसे change करना है. The matron said, may you get well. The matron prayed that he might get well. So you can use the word wished or pray in place of may को जो expression है. आप जब किसी के लिए कोई विश करते हो कि तुम जल्दी अच्छे हो जाओ, गेट वेल सून, दैट वे यू कैन यूज द वर्ड विश्ड और प्रेड देयर. आई होप यहां तक आपको ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंसेस क्लियर होंगे. सो लेट्स हैव अ क्विक practice revision of what we have learned. Now here is the first statement. She said to me, do you know the way to the station? इसका आंसर बताइए. Please raise your hand. I can unmute you then. Yes, Gurleen beta. You can unmute now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, answer is she told me if I knew the way to the station.
Okay, but यहाँ पर question पूछ रहा है तो what you can add there? Told की जगह हम क्या बनाएंगे expression?
Asked.
Yes, asked. So the answer is she asked me if I knew the way to the station. So we'll add if here because यहाँ पर कोई conjunction नहीं है और जो हमारा auxiliary verb से do, does, did से अगर शुरू होता है is, am, are, was, were, etc. से शुरू होता है तो we add this if there. Next one. I said to him, have you received any gift for your birthday? Have you received any gift for your birthday? हाँ जी बेटा गर्वदीप.
I asked him if he had received any gift for his birthday.
Kindly repeat again.
I asked him if he had received any gift for his birthday.
Yes, correct. I asked him if he had received any gift for his birthday. राइट सो देखिए किस तरह से आपने ऑक्सिलरीज को चेंज करना है एंड इन केस ऑक्सिलरी से आपका जो क्वेश्चन बिगिन होता है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू ऐड द वर्ड इफ वी विल प्लेस द सब्जेक्ट देन द हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड आफ्टर दैट द मेन वर्ब एंड फुल स्टॉप एट द एंड बिकॉज डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म नेक्स्ट वन she said to me, why did you write such an insulting letter to me yesterday? She said to me, why did you write such an insulting letter to me yesterday? Yes. Just a minute. एक सेकेंड बेटा मैं अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ आपको. हाँ जी अश्मित you can unmute and answer.
She asked me why she had written such an insulting letter to me the previous day.
Okay, is the statement correct? Check your answer. She asked me or she inquired of me, दोनों करेक्ट हैं. इस बात का ध्यान रखोगे बेटा, अगर आप इंक्वायर वर्ड यूज करते हो तो शी इंक्वायर्ड ऑफ लग जाता है, डिमांडेड ऑफ लग जाता है, ठीक है, और आस्क्ड के साथ ऑफ नहीं लगेगा. सो यस, शी इंक्वायर्ड ऑफ मी व्हाई आई हैड रिटन सच एन इंसल्टिंग लेटर टू हर द प्रीवियस डे. ठीक है ना. यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म है तो वो चेंज किसके अकॉर्डिंग होगा? ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग. ऑब्जेक्ट में मी है तो ये जो यू है मी के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा. मी का जो सब्जेक्ट है वो आई होता है, राइट. सो यहाँ पर इस तरह से चेंज करोगे आप अपने लेटर जो आपका डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच आता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. His mother said to him, do not do it again. His mother said to him, do not do it again. Yes, Thanika.
His mother asked him not to do that again.
यहाँ पर देखिए it है, it को हमने that में नहीं बदलना है, it ही रह जाता है. this को that में चेंज करते हैं, ठीक है. yes, so you can add asked also, या ज्यादातर हम करेंगे his mother told him not to do it again. राइट, करेक्ट है आपका सेंटेंस. आप asked भी लगा सकते हो, इसमें कोई इसमें हार्म नहीं है as per the rule. My father said to me, work hard and do, यहाँ पर सॉरी नॉट आना था, do not waste time. My father said to me, work hard and do not waste time. Yes, Disha beta.
My father advised me to work hard and not to waste time.
Correct. My father advised me to work hard and not to waste time. Not to क्यों आया? क्योंकि वहां do not था. As per rule हमें do not को किस में चेंज करना है? Not to में. Correct. The student said to the teacher, let me play now. The student, yes beta Garvdeep.
The student asked the
सॉरी मैंने आपको म्यूट कर दिया, आप दोबारा से अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. यस, कंटिन्यू.
The student asked the teacher to let him play now.
इसमें दो मिस्टेक्स हैं, काइंडली करेक्टेड. दोबारा से बताइए करेक्ट करके. The student said to the teacher, let me play now. Let me का होता मतलब है कि allow me. तो अलाउ जब करते हैं एक तरह से स्टूडेंट इज रिक्वेस्टिंग द टीचर, एंड नियरनेस ऑफ टाइम एंड प्लेस में नाउ है, नाउ बिकम्स देन में चेंज करेंगे. सो हमारा आंसर क्या बनता है? द स्टूडेंट रिक्वेस्टेड द टीचर टू लेट हिम प्ले देन. यस, ठीक है ना, इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. whenever we are converting, nearness of time and place को भी चेंज करना है, other than all other rules जो हम फॉलो करते हैं. so let का होता है यहाँ मतलब अलाउ करना, परमिशन मांग रहा है तो टीचर से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है. अंडरस्टूड है कि बच्चा जो है वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है कि अब उसे खेलने के लिए अलाउ कर दें. सो रिक्वेस्टेड विल बी द वर्ड. ठीक है.
Yes.
हाँ, asked हमने कब यूज करना है? when there is a doubt कि वो एडवाइस है, रिक्वेस्ट है. when there is clear, you are getting the thing very clear that there is a request made or there is an advice given, so you will use the word accordingly. But when there is doubt, then you can use the word asked. Yes. He said, bravo, you have done very well. Yes, Suvir.
He exclaimed with joy that they had done very well.
Okay. यहाँ पर दे लिया है, आप यू को यू भी रिटेन कर सकते हो सकते हो
Yes,
सकता है
ma'am.
कि इंडिविजुअल को भी कहा गया है, दे भी जा सकता है क्योंकि हियर लिसनर्स क्लियर नहीं है कि वो प्लूरल में है या सिंगुलर में है. बोथ आर करेक्ट. बट जो ब्रावो है यहाँ पर, ब्रावो एक तरह से वी आर अपलॉडिंग समवन, तारीफ कर रहे हैं, अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. सो वी कैन ऑलवेज यूज द वर्ड अपलॉडेड हिम सेइंग दैट ही हैड डन वेल. ठीक है. हाँ जी, गुड.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, he said, what a fine idea. He said, what a fine idea. Yes, Krish beta, बताइए आंसर. What a fine idea.
He explained. He exclaimed that what a fine idea.
No, as per rule, we have to remove the word what here. Yes, Gursharan, can you just tell the answer or tell what was the mistake here, Gursharan?
He exclaimed that it was a fine idea.
Yes, he exclaimed that. You can always add that also, or it also can be added. And you can use the word surprise, or you can just ignore that also. Agar aap simple कहते, he exclaimed that was a very fine idea, or you can simply say he exclaimed with surprise that was, or it was a very fine idea. दोनों वे में करेक्ट है. आप that भी लगा सकते हो, it भी लगा सकते हो. Next, she said, may God bless you. She said, may God bless you. हाँ जी, हितेन बेटा.
Ma'am, yes. She wished may God bless him.
There is one mistake in that. May किसमें change होगा?
Ma'am, might.
Yes. So she wished or she prayed that God might bless him.
Bless him.
Right? So that way the answer becomes she prayed that God might bless him. So इस तरह से ध्यान रखना है. Wished भी correct है, prayed भी correct है. जब स्पेशली जब word God को यहाँ पर आता है, God word use होता है, तो हम pray करते हैं. And अगर simply है कि may you get well soon, तो हम wish करते हैं. So that way wished can be added. Now next जो exercise है बेटा, this is to be taken carefully into account. Now those who are new to the CBSE system, in case you are from ICSE board, अब तक तो हम simple sentence transformation कर रहे थे, but in your examination you will get this kind of dialogues. Read the dialogue given below and complete the paragraph that follows. तो ये जो paragraph follow कर रहा है, you will get a question like this in your exam. Doctor said, I hope you can read. Patient, you may think it is funny, but I can't. Doctor, then why should I treat your eyes? Patient, I believe illiterates too need eyes to see. So that way, this is a conversation between a doctor and a patient. So the reported speech is here. I hope you can read. Do you think it is funny? And doctor, patient, ye who said to whom hai? And the question will be given in this form. The doctor told the patient dash. The patient said that dash. The doctor asked, the patient replied. So different parts of the reported speech will be in the form of blanks. you have to fill the blanks according to the rules of reported speech. And these days you get the question in MCQ form, so you may get choices also. The MCQs will be there, but before that हम practice करेंगे as per the rules. So I hope you can read. The doctor told the patient A. तो A का बताइए, doctor told the patient, उसने क्या बताया होगा? आंसर इसका क्या होगा? Yes, Gursharan, बताइए.
The doctor told the patient that he hoped he could read.
Correct. The doctor told the patient that he hoped. I hope simple present है. You can को could में बदलेंगे, you को हम change करेंगे. So the doctor told the patient that he hoped he could read. Patient said that. Patient ने क्या कहा? You may think it is funny. So इसे convert करिए. Yes, बेटा दिशा.
The patient said that he might think it is funny, but he can't.
First part was right, but the second part wrong हो गया. Is को was में change करना है, can't को couldn't में change करना है. So you might think it was funny, but he couldn't. Right? So इस तरह से आप देखिए, मैं आपको answers इसके दिखा देती हूँ this way. So that he hoped he could read. Second में है, he might think it was funny, but he could not read. Doctor ने फिर क्या कहा? Then why should I treat your eyes? It is in the form of question. So the doctor asked, then why he should treat his eyes. यहाँ should है, should को should में ही रहने देना है, should को नहीं convert करना would में. ठीक है? So should ही रह जाएगा. Then why he should treat his eyes. Next is, I believe illiterates to need eyes to see. So patient ने क्या reply किया? That he believed illiterates to needed eyes to see. So जो main verb है उसे हमने simple past में change करना है, because जो हमारा verb है वो simple present में है. So इस तरह से आप यहाँ why he would भी कर सकते हो, but यहाँ पर should को should ही retain कर देना है, इसको would में change नहीं करोगे. Next एक और example देखिए. Anoop said, where can we meet tomorrow? Atul, I may not be able to meet you tomorrow. Are you going to be busy? Atul said, yes, I will be traveling tomorrow. So इस तरह से Anoop asked Atul. So उसने क्या पूछा? Where can we meet tomorrow? So where they could meet the next day or the day after. Atul replied, I may not be able to meet you tomorrow. So may को करना है, might may change, right? So he said that he might not be able to meet him the next day. Tomorrow को the next day में बदलना है. Anup, are you going to be busy? R से शुरू हो रहा है, तो हमने इसको किस में change करना है? If he was going to be busy and full stop. अगर आप आंसर में क्वेश्चन मार्क भी लगा दोगे बेटा, तो आपका पूरा सेंटेंस रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. इस बात का ध्यान रखोगे. For simple mistake also, no marks will be awarded. The whole sentence will go wrong. And last one. Atul said that he was, I will be traveling tomorrow. Now यहाँ पर एक चीज का ध्यान रखोगे. When you get a question like this, yes, no, sorry. So in words को आपने क्या करना है? You will replace the words like Atul said in affirmation. Yes के लिए यहाँ पर जो word है वो added नहीं है question में. Atul said in affirmation that he would be traveling the next day or the day after. So yes को remove कर देना है. अपने direct speech से जब indirect में convert करते हैं तो yes no को remove करते हैं. Yes की जगह affirmation word, no की जगह negation, या फिर he said affirmatively, he said positively, या he said in negation, या he said negatively. These are the words that you will use for yes and no. If there is sorry, you will write the word apologize. ठीक है. सो इस तरह से ये जो एक्सप्रेशंस आएंगे यस, नो, सॉरी, इनको रिमूव करना है एंड यू विल यूज द वर्ड्स लाइक इन एफर्मेशन, इन निगेशन या फिर पॉजिटिवली, नेगेटिवली या apologize. So that way we will continue by adding that there, that he would be traveling the next day. ठीक है. So ध्यान से इन सेंटेंसेस को आपने चेंज करना है और इसको अप्लाई करना है जो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट के रूल्स आते हैं. सो दैट वे यू विल गेट दीज क्वेश्चंस. सो आज के लिए इतना ही एंड विद दिस द टॉपिक डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट इज ओवर. An assignment will be posted in the class group today. You'll solve that assignment, okay? And tomorrow we will start with letters to editor. I hope with this direct indirect topic is now totally clear to you.